Good morning. So the children have a few things that they have for sale. Wisdom made a bunch of scrunchies, and these are on our Instagram at shop.RoehrTribe. And then Lilley made a tiny newborn sweater. It's 100% cotton, wooden buttons. It's also on our Instagram. It's so soft. I wish you could feel it. She even made little pockets, just obviously for looks. A newborn's not going to use it, but they're super sweet. I'll also put photos in the next bit. So Wisdom made 4 little face cloths. They're about 4 inches squarish almost. So I'll insert some photos of those. There's a set of 4. There's Naomi made these 2 wash rags or face cloths, and they're 4.5 by 3.5, and a set of 2. And then this is a little wallet that Wisdom made. All of these are 100% cotton. This is also 100% cotton with a wooden button. And this was, I don't remember how long that was. Almost 5.5 inches. And very nice and thick and sturdy. And then Judah made some spoons. So we have, they're all eating size spoons. We have 3 cedar, a walnut, and a maple. So the maple is a decent amount longer, an inch or more longer, probably an inch, than the others. And this is what his current stock is. So I'll insert some photos. If you say cedar spoon, I'm not going to figure out which one of them you want, because they're super close and similar to what they are. So I will, what's so funny?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's all that they have right now. You can, actually that's not true. Simeon has been making earrings, so I need to get those photographed and posted pictures too. I will see if I can get those and get photos of them, and I'll add those photos to the end of the video. And all of the prices will be in the description. And I hate to charge shipping, but I feel like that if I don't, that'll cut into what the children make more than I'd like it to. So these won't cost very much. They're made by children, and so it just gives them some pocket change. And so I'll probably just do $5 shipping no matter what you buy. You can buy one thing or everything, and it'd be $5 to ship it. So yeah, that's it. So I'm posting it today so that I can, today's Thursday, tomorrow I can get out any orders that happen between now and noon tomorrow probably. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later. Bye. You get me laying down again. Sitting is just too hard. One, I lose my train of thought really easily. And two, the way that I'll have people pay for this is PayPal, or I can get you a P.O. box to ship things to. Ship a check or cash or whatever you feel comfortable with. So, but PayPal is the easiest, and then I can get it shipped out tomorrow. So just let us know if you want anything. Those last earrings that I posted, or that I had pictures of, there's on the black card, and then I slid the white card underneath it to help show the color a little bit better. They have a slight tint of red or burgundy, kind of. So it's hard to come across in how it's done. But there's that. I don't know if this is going to be an easy way to do this, or if I should just have things on Instagram. But the children are excited with everything that they have made and ready to go. And they make their own money from this. So it encourages them to keep going and keep making and creating and to have a lot of fun. They enjoy these things. And if you don't want anything here, or you don't have the money to spend, do not worry about it. They love to hear just a kind word about what they're doing, and that is good enough. But we've had people mention that they would love to get some of the spoons and other items, so I wanted to make them available if anyone does want or need them. Thank you. Bye.